So we'll continue Pythagoras theorem. So that is question number 7. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sum of the sides of sum of the squares of sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Squares of its diagonals. Okay, so look at here. What is called a rhombus? All sides are equal. A, B, C, D. Then this is O. Achha, what is rhombus first? ABCD is a rhombus means given AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. All sides are equal. First, second, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Means this is 90 degree and AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OB. That is AO equals to OC, BO equals to OB, and angle O is 90 degree. So once it is 90 degree, you can use the Pythagoras theorem. So DOC triangle. Look at in DOC triangle, square 90 का opposite is longest side. BC square equals to AO square plus OC square. Similarly, you can write BC square equals to BC. Look at this triangle. OB square plus OC square. OB square plus OC square. Then AOB triangle, AB square equals to AO square plus OB square. AO square plus OB square. Then AD square equals to AO square plus OD square. AO square plus OD square. Okay, then what do you get here? Square of all this means adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. What do you get? BC square plus BC square plus AB square plus AD square. BC square plus BC square plus AB square plus AD square equals to, look, 2AO square. AD square equals to AO square plus OD square. AB square equals to AO square plus the DC square is DO square plus OC square. DO square. So everything 2 times. 2A square, 2OB square, 2OC square, 2OD square. So 2 times AO square, OB square, OC square plus OD square. ये the sum of the squares of all the sides हो गया. This one you look at here. DO OB you write together. DO and OB together. AO and OC together. So which is equal to 2 times AO square plus OC square. AO square plus OC square together. DO square plus OB square together. DO square plus OB square together. अच्छा, diagonals bisect means AO equals to half of AC, because bisect these two are equal. Equal means this is half of AC. So this is half of AC square. OC is also half of AC. Half of AC square plus DO is half of BD square plus half of BD square, and OB is also half of BD square. That is 2 times AC square plus AC square. AC square plus AC square by 4, because here is also 1 by 2 4, 1 by 2 4. Similarly, BD square plus BD square by 4. BD square plus BD square by 4. Okay. Now this is 2AC square plus 2BD square by 4 is cancelled here 2. Now take 2 common. 2 common. AC square plus BD square by 2 cancelled, because you want to prove sum of the squares of sides of the triangle equals to sum of the squares of its diagonal again. Proved. Okay. Then you see the next question is question number 8. Question number 8. O is the point in the interior of the triangle ABC. O is the point on the interior of the triangle ABC. OD perpendicular to BC. OE perpendicular to AC. OA perpendicular to AB. Then show that first question, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equals to AF square plus BT square plus CFC square. Second part of the question, AF square plus BT square plus CE square equals to AE square plus CD square plus DF square. Okay, the triangle is given. Look at here, ABC triangle, ABC triangle. O is any point, OD perpendicular BC, OD perpendicular BC 90 degree, OE perpendicular AC, OE perpendicular AC, OF perpendicular AB, OF perpendicular AB. You have to get OA square, OB square, OC square. That means you have to join this. Okay, if I take, look at the parts, OA square, OD square, OE square, OF square. Now look at OA square equals to, what you need, you have to look at AF square. You need AF square plus OF square. So you can write which triangle? AOF triangle. In AOF triangle, longest side 90 का opposite is longest side AO square equals to AF square plus OB square, OF square, AF square plus OF square. Look at here, OA square minus OF square is looking here, so you can bring this on this side. So implies AF square minus OF square equals to AF square. This is first equation. Then again look at OB square. OB square means this. With this, what you need? OD square. So you have to take this one. In ODB triangle. In ODB triangle, longest side OB square equals to OD square plus DD square. Okay. Now you can bring OB square. Then what do you need here? OD square. So OD you can bring here. So OB square minus OD square equals to DD square. Look at it is coming. AF square came. BD square also came. Now you need CE. CE means you have to take OEC triangle. So you take which part? CE required means OEC triangle. In OEC triangle, OC square equals to longest side OC square is equal to, because 90 का opposite longest side OE square plus EC square. OE square plus EC square. Okay. Now take OE this side. OC square minus OE square equals to EC square. So adding 1, 2, 3, you can write here, adding equation number 1, 2, 3. Adding equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Look at AO square minus OF square, AO square minus OF square plus OB square minus BD square, OB square minus BD square plus OC square minus OE square equals to right side AF square plus BD square plus CE square equals to AF square plus BD square plus EC square. So this is proved up. Now look at second part. Second part, observe very carefully. The second part of the question is AF square plus BD square. AF square plus BD square plus EC square. This part equals to what? Now AE square. AE square. अच्छा, AE square is what? Now AO minus OE is equal to AE square. So AO minus OE together. AO minus OE together. This implies AO square minus OE square. Then what you need? Then you need CT square. CT, look at here. CT square equals to OC square minus OD square. So OC square minus OD square. So OC square minus OD square. Then left out. Then what you need? You need BF square. BF square is equal to OB square minus OF square. OB square minus OF square. Equals to AF square plus BD square plus EC square. Now look at here. AO square minus OE square. AO square minus AE square is AE square. So this became AE square. Implies AE square OC minus OD. OC square minus OD square is BC square. OC square minus OD square is BC square. OB square minus OF square. OB square minus OF square is equal to BF square. Equals to, this will remain AF square BD square plus EC square. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. It's a very simple question. Question number 9 is a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window reaches a window 8 meters above the ground. Find the distance between the foot of the ladder. Find the distance between the foot of the ladder from base of his wall. Okay, ladder is 10 meter long. This is your ladder. Reaches the window A. This is B. This is C. Window is at this point. Okay, window 8 meter above the ground. This is your ground, 8 meter. Find the distance between the foot of the ladder and the from the base of the wall. This is your wall now. This is your wall. This is the point of window. Window goes up. Then this distance you have to find out. The ladder is how much? 10 meter. So use Pythagoras theorem. I'll write the formula. You will try to solve. AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. So put the values. This will come out. Okay. Next question you see. So this is your homework. Question number 10. A guy were attached to a vertical pole, attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter, pole of height 18 meter, height 18 meter is 24 meter long, is 24 meter long, and has a stick attached to the other end, and has a stick attached to other end. How far from the base of the pole? How far from the base of the pole should the stick be? Should the stick be attached should be driven so that the wire will be taut, so that the wire will be taut. Means it will be straight. Okay, look at here. Guy wire attached to a vertical pole. First make a vertical pole here. The wire is attached here. Pole is 18 meter. This is your pole, 18 meter. Guy wire is this one. This is 24 meter. And has a stake attached to other end, means this end is fixed to the pole, other end is attached, means you have to pull it. So pulling means to make the pole keep straight. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven? Means how far from the base of the pole means if this is A, this is B, this is C, this you have to find. So use Pythagoras theorem. This is easy, you can do. Okay, over. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an aircraft. An aeroplane leaves an aircraft leaves an airport and flies due north. Flies due north. Flies due north at a speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour. 1,000 kilometers per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport, and flies due west. At the speed of 1,200 kilometers per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Okay, so look, what does it mean? Due north. So first you draw. If this is east, this is south, this is north, this is west. So one aeroplane is going north. North means this direction from the airport. North 1,000 kilometers per hour. Okay. At the same time, another airplane leaves the same airport due west. If from here it is north, then it is west. Means it is going here west. How much it is? 1,200 kilometers per hour. 1,200 kilometers per hour. How far they will be after 1.5 hours means this distance you have to find out. This distance. So how to first look at here? What will be ON now? ON is the distance. Distance equals to speed into time. Speed into time. The speed is how much? 1,000 kilometers per hour. Time is kilometer per hour. Time is 1.5 hour because they are flying for 1.5 hour. So this is how much now? So this will be 1000 into 3/2. Though it is going in this direction, this distance after 3 and 1.5 hour, this distance will be 1500 kilometer. So this distance is 1500 kilometer. So now this will be how much distance then? OW distance is speed into time. Speed is 1200 kilometer per hour into 3/2. Same thing. 600, 1800. So now what I have to say is this is now 1800, this is now 1500. This is O, this is W, this is N. You want to find WN. This is how much? How far they are from each other after 3.5 hours. So what you have to do? Pythagoras theorem. Because north and west is 90 degree. So WN square is OW square plus ON square. So put the value and find out. Okay. See the next one. That is question number 12. Two poles of light of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. Stand on a plain ground. Okay. If the distance between the feet of the pole is 12 meter, if the distance between the feet is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Find the distance between their tops. Means it is like this. One pole is this, one pole is this. Pole. This is 6 meter, other one is 11 meter. Distance between their feet is 12. This is 12. You want to find what is the distance between their top, means this one. A, B, C, D. You are asked to find what is AD. AD is how much? What you do is draw a perpendicular here. So this is suppose E. This is E. What is AE? AE equals to, these two will be equal, rectangle now. E will be BC. That is 12. That means this became 12. Okay. AB equals to EC. AB equals to EC. That is 6 meter. This becomes 6. So what is D now? Therefore, D equals to BC minus EC. D BC minus EC. BC means how much? 11 minus 6, 5 meter. So this is 5, this is 12, this is what you want to find. So which formula? Pythagoras theorem. So AD square equals to AE square plus BE square. That means 2m square plus 5 square. That is 144 plus 25. That is 169. AD is root over of 169. That is 30 meter. Okay. So remaining will do tomorrow.